In the world of smart homes, the Smart Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is a standout device, offering advanced detection of pollutants and intelligent control of smart air purifiers. This innovative gadget ensures that the air in your living or working space is always clean and safe, detecting pollutants with precision. The monitor is designed to accurately detect various airborne pollutants, such as PM2.5, VOx, and CO2. Its high-sensitivity sensors provide real-time data, keeping you informed about the air quality. This feature is especially beneficial for individuals with respiratory conditions, or those who simply wish to breathe cleaner air. Seamless integration with smart purifiers. What sets this monitor apart is its ability to automatically adjust the settings on connected smart air purifiers. When poor air quality is detected, the monitor sends a signal to the purifiers to enhance their operation. This smart integration ensures that your environment is continuously optimized for the best air quality. Wi-Fi connectivity for on-the-go monitoring. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor the air quality from anywhere using a dedicated app. It offers real-time updates, historical data, and alerts when pollutant levels rise, giving you peace of mind and control over your indoor environment. Simple setup and maintenance. The monitor is user-friendly, with a straightforward setup process that integrates easily with your existing Wi-Fi network and smart home devices. Maintenance is minimal, thanks to its durable design and the app's guidance on upkeep. Creating a healthier space effortlessly. By automating the management of your air quality, the Smart Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor simplifies the process of maintaining a healthy living or working environment. It's a smart investment in your well-being. For more information on how this smart monitor can enhance your indoor air quality, don't hesitate to contact me. Visit my page and send an email using the provided address. I'll be sure to respond within 24 hours with all the details you need. Breathe well, live well.